Alright, what's going on everyone? My name is Aaron and in this video I'm going to show you how I detail 2 cars and make $514 in under 6 hours. So let's get into it. So I got my first job. It's about 15 minutes away. Got to reverse out of my driveway. It's a pretty tight driveway, to be honest, so I've gotten pretty good at reversing. Oh no, I forgot my sunnies. Alright, so it's 20 to 9 right now. I'll get to my first job just before 9. I've got a couple of cars on today. First one is a Toyota Prado. That's going to be an Ultimate. I'm pretty sure he's selling the car, so we'll try and upsell to an engine bay detail as well for an extra 40 bucks. It's generally quite easy to get the engine bay included when they're selling the vehicle. The second job after that is a maintenance exterior wash and seal on a little Porsche Boxster. So that won't take me long at all, and that's it for the day. So I just got to my first job. The first thing I do is go and meet the client, and then we'll go and look over the car together. I'll ask if there is anything in particular that they're concerned about, and after inspecting the car, I'll confirm the service that we're doing and the price. You always want to confirm the service and the price before starting. This just minimizes confusion after the job is done. So the car isn't too bad, but it was still in need of a good detail. I started with the engine bay, first using a mild degreaser to break down all the dirt and grime. I didn't actually charge the client extra for the engine bay. I said I would just give it a quick clean for free. I used my pressure washer to rinse all the dirt away and then used a microfiber towel to clean and dry it. Next I moved on to the wheels, first rinsing away any loose dirt and then soaking with Brake Buster, which is a foaming wheel cleaner. I used a hard bristle brush to scrub the tyres, a long wheel brush to get inside the barrel of the wheel, and a bore hair detailing brush to get in all the tight areas. Then I rinsed all the soap and dirt off and continued the process on the other 3 wheels. Next I pressure washed all the door frames, cleaning out all the loose dirt and grime. These weren't too dirty, so I didn't bother with any degreaser. After that I soaked the car with a high foaming pH neutral shampoo, which just helps break down the dirt and grime. I'll let the soap dwell for a few minutes, allowing it to work its magic, then I'll rinse it all off. Next, I'll soak the car with shampoo again, ready for a hand wash. Once the hand wash is finished, I'll rinse all the soap off. Then I'll dry the car with a thick microfiber towel. I'll dress the tyres and give the rims a final clean with a microfiber towel. Now I'm using Bead Maker, a spray-on sealant to protect the paint. I'll wipe it on and buff it off. Moving on to the inside, I'll start by vacuuming out the entire car. Next, I move on to deep cleaning all the carpets and upholstery. After the carpets and upholstery have been deep cleaned, I'll move on to steam cleaning and detailing all the plastics and vinyls inside the car, all around the steering wheel and console and the door panels. Next, I'll apply a protection and enhancement to all the plastics and vinyl surfaces in the car. I'll then go around and clean all the windows inside and out using an ammonia-free glass cleaner and a waffle weave microfiber towels. The last step I do on the interior is give it a final vacuum and double check all my work. The client was happy with the job and I'm sure it will be much easier to sell. Alright, so I just finished up that job there and yeah, it took me 5 hours to complete, so it was a solid job. So the way I get my clients is through my website. Basically, Google My Business is one of the best methods for gaining organic reach, and you've got ready to buy clients already clicking through. They're searching for car detailing services in the area. Okay, if you can get your website or your Google My Business page to rank on those first few slots, you're guaranteed to get clients without any paid advertising. So I don't do any paid advertising at the moment. It's all just through Google My Business, ranking my website high, Bing, Yahoo. Okay, this is how the clients find me. Some clients will ask for a reminder the night before, but others, they don't really mind, just turn up, they'll lock it in their calendar. And if I am running late, I'll always message the client to let them know I'm running a few minutes late. Generally, if I'm gonna be more than 5 minutes late, I'll send them a text message. If I'm less than 5 minutes late, like let's just say I'm gonna rock up at 9:04 today, I won't send them a message, but anything over 5 minutes, I'll send them a text message.
So the second job for the day is this Porsche Boxster. This is a maintenance exterior wash that I do every 3 weeks. So it's not that dirty, just general dirt and grime. finished this car up at about 3 o'clock, so this only takes about 30 minutes, and that's a total of about 6 hours work for the day. And my total earnings for the day are $517. I charged $427 for the Prado this morning and $87 for the Porsche. So not a bad day for only about 6 hours work. I got home about 3:30 and had the whole afternoon to kick back and do what I want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more videos like this.